Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear homemakers, working professionals, and cooking enthusiasts tuning in. If you are someone who wants to make cooking more efficient, organized, and enjoyable, this is especially for you. A well-equipped kitchen can save time, reduce effort, and make everyday cooking much more convenient, while still preserving the traditional flavors that many Indian families love. Here's something helpful for you. Kitchen Essentials for Women in India, information from Youthbuddy. To explore this, visit the Youthbuddy website, go to the Ladies' Corner section, open Kitchen related under the Gadgets category, and select Women on that page. Modern kitchen gadgets can make daily cooking faster and more convenient. Appliances such as electric roti makers, dough kneaders, vegetable choppers, mixer grinders, and hand blenders help simplify many routine kitchen tasks. For busy households, appliances such as electric pressure cookers, rice cookers, induction cooktops, and air fryers can save both time and effort while supporting efficient cooking. Health-conscious individuals may also find cold-pressed juicers and sprouting jars useful for preparing nutritious juices and healthy ingredients at home. Traditional kitchen essentials continue to hold their value in many Indian homes. Iron and cast iron cookware are often preferred for their durability, while brass and copper utensils remain popular in traditional kitchens. Tools such as masala dabbas, clay pots, silbattas, and mortar pestles help preserve authentic cooking methods and flavors. A well-organized kitchen can also improve efficiency. Spice racks, masala organizers, airtight storage containers, hanging hooks, and wall organizers help keep ingredients and utensils easily accessible. Simple additions such as foldable dish drying racks and sink strainers can help maintain a cleaner and less cluttered workspace. Festival cooking often requires specialized tools. Items such as modak molds, puran poli presses, murukku makers, and deep-frying kadais can make preparing traditional festive foods much easier. Kitchen hygiene is equally important. Microfiber cloths, kitchen wipes, dishwashing supplies, and other cleaning essentials help maintain cleanliness and support a healthier cooking environment. For those focused on healthy eating, tools such as steamers, idli makers, flour mills, oil sprayer bottles, and clay water pots can support healthier cooking habits and daily wellness. Personalized accessories can also add comfort and style to the kitchen. Aprons with pockets, customized cutting boards, colorful kitchen towels, and anti-fatigue mats can make time spent in the kitchen more enjoyable. Technology is becoming an important part of modern kitchens as well. Smart weighing scales, temperature control kettles, digital measuring spoons, smart coffee makers, and voice assistants can help improve convenience and precision while cooking. The best kitchen setup is one that combines practicality, comfort, tradition, and modern convenience according to individual needs. Whether you prefer traditional cookware, smart appliances, healthy cooking tools, or organizational solutions, the right kitchen essentials can make cooking more efficient and rewarding. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the Ladies' Corner section on the Youthbuddy website. Open Kitchen related under the Gadgets category and select Women on that page. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.